Hello guys, this is our April grocery haul. I haven't done a grocery haul because I've been doing the unboxing instead, but this month we're going to do it this way. Now, I do have 2 impulse buys that I wouldn't usually do. That's only because they spawned and Selena
Quintanilla.
That's part Mexican, and what Selena did for Mexican women in the Tejano music, she did with class and grace. And I'll take that over trashy any day. Alright. Let's look at stuff you're not going to see. 4 bags of cheese. 2 sharp cheddar. Big bags here. 2 big things of mozzarella. And I got 2 ready-made pizzas because that's what we're going to do instead of eating out. I got this private selection Cuban-inspired pizza. Yes, if you have a Cuban sandwich, you know they are good. Do you mind, sir? And I got a nice deep dish pizza that Antonia will love. Because she likes a deep dish pizzas. Now, let's get also glory. Thank you God, praise Jesus. They had toilet paper between what we had left over from last month and we got today. And what we picked up along the way, we get enough. We will get through another month. Now, we have her ramen. Always gotta get ramen. I got chicken and turkey flavored gravy mix. Yes, I know it's probably cheaper to make it, but right now, these are what we're rolling with. Coffee, because I'm sick of buying flavored cold brew, and we're gonna learn how to do it ourselves. Tea. Yeah, 2 big things of tea. I got, these were 10 for 10. I got 4 cheese. I got 5 of these. So we can just make one of them instead of making a whole bunch. Now, salads. These things are essential for salads. I got Caesar, Zesty Italian, seasoned herb, garlic cheese, and hamburger rolls. Kroger's mustard is 59 cents for when it's the little ones. You cannot buy the mustard seeds to make this for 59 cents. We got pickle battles, right? I got 2 of these coffees, private selection. Number 2 for $3. Why not? Honey is something I need to build up, and this one has spillage on it. Oh well. Clean it up, put it back, and we'll be done. Peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter is something else I need to start stocking up on. Now, I gotta rinse my hands here. The honey is covered. Little honey bear has got honey all over him. Now, another thing you're not gonna see is body washes. I got 4 different ones. We got like 4. We have 2 shampoos and conditioners that went with them. Alright, now let's do the fun part. I already talked about the potatoes. They had these here. They can last a lot longer than what people think they can. And they were 10 for 10. Like these little snack things. 10 for 10 again. Got Dr. Pepper. Because, hello, this wound up in the bottom of our cart. And we also got another thing of water. With Kroger, you can only get 1 water at a time. Certain things are like 1 at a time. But I did get turkey pepperoni and another little pepperoni. And I guess this cat has decided she's going to help me after all.
No, she's getting after the apples.
Oh, no. She cannot have the apples. The apples were 4 for $2. I got 2 Granny Smith and 2 of the Galas because we're doing burger and steak sauce finally. We got 4 tomato sauce, 59 cents. Kind of hard to make it, right? Tomatoes. This red gold brand was 10 for 10. These are usually well over $1 when you get them. Mandarin oranges, I got 4 of these. Some more baking powder to put back. They were out of the brand of baking soda, so it is what it is, right? Some more oranges. Sweet peas. Antonia loves sweet peas. I don't really care for them. I'm more of an Italian green bean person. 4 of these chicken soups, condensed soups. Fur Flow is like $18. If you can get it, get it. I could kick my ass for not getting it a long time ago. Then I'd be able to make this. See what kind of, okay. These are just more of the canned goods I already told you all about. And yeah, the shampoo and conditioners. I ended up getting 2 peanut butters. Forgot about those. I got these here. Because you can always use them. And let's see. Turkey. We got 2 each of these dressings. Now, and get over close where Antonia is. More canned items that we already looked at. Dressings. These big things are 2 for $3. It makes them $1.50 each. And you're getting 1.1 quart. Not bad. Pringles were 3 for $5. And that, I can't believe, is the end of it. All this was $218.37. That's with employee discount. Now, a lot of stuff we will use over time. I'm not going to have to buy bath wash or hair shampoo conditioner for a while. Isn't that right? That's it. See you later.